Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to your Apple Watch. This process allows you to enjoy audio directly from your watch without needing your iPhone nearby. We will go through each step, from preparing your headphones to confirming the successful connection. It is a straightforward process that takes only a few moments to complete, giving you wireless freedom for your music and podcasts. First, let's get your Sony headphones ready for pairing. Power them on, then press and hold the power button for approximately 5 to 7 seconds. You will typically see an indicator light flashing, often blue and red, or hear a voice prompt confirming Bluetooth pairing. This indicates your headphones are discoverable and ready to connect with a new device. Now, let's move to your Apple Watch. Press the digital crown to access your apps, then tap on the settings icon. Scroll down through the options until you find and tap Bluetooth. Your watch will begin searching for nearby devices. Once your Sony headphones appear in the list, simply tap their name to initiate the connection. This usually takes just a few seconds. After tapping your headphones, your Apple Watch will establish the connection. You should see a confirmation message on your watch screen, indicating that your Sony headphones are successfully paired. Now, you can open your music or podcast app on the Apple Watch and begin playback. You have complete control over your audio directly from your wrist, offering a seamless and wireless listening experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.